Hey, morning everyone. It's a crisp, I don't even know what month it is. Do that again. Morning everyone. Take two. This is a crisp November morning. We're getting ready to hop in freight train and head down to New Hampshire Pro Equipment in Bow, New Hampshire to pick up our new 11,000 pound two-post lift for the shop that we are so close to being done and moving in. So I figured, let's do something different. Let's take a chill ride together and go down to New Hampshire and pick up our lift that we're gonna get installed this weekend. My buddy Steve's coming over. We're gonna hammer this thing out, and it's the last big piece of the puzzle, and then it's a few little things and move-in time. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe. This is Scott Flip and Customized. Let's get this thing hooked up to the trailer. All right, everybody likes a cold start. We'll give you one. That's blocking my own screen. I don't know, 30 degrees, 25. She fired. We're good. Let's get our trailer hooked up. We actually have another project, an S10 that we picked up, still sitting on the trailer that we didn't need, but it was the right deal. So we're gonna offload that first, and then we hit the road. All right, first things first, our 93 West Coast truck that we just picked up has got to come off the trailer because no, it can't come along for the ride. And that is another story for another find and another build. And I don't even know what we're doing with it, but stay tuned for that one. All right, now that that's all done, let's hit the road. Here we come. And yeah, you guessed it, like any normal person would do, you're going to scan Marketplace for the area you're heading before you go. This is the right thing to do, isn't it? All right, so New Hampshire Pro Equipment over there in Bow, New Hampshire, where we're heading. They have a lot of like automotive supplies, new stuff at reasonable prices. 4-post lifts, 2-post lifts, jacks, toolbox, you name it. So over there, of course, we're gonna peruse around and check things out, because that's what you do when you go there. But maybe we'll leave with just our lift, maybe we'll leave with something else. I don't know, but that's not the plan because we've already blew the budget on our new shop. So we're well on our way there and be there shortly. All right, we made it. We're gonna go inside now and check these guys out. All right, guys, we arrived. We're inside New Hampshire Pro Equipment, and it's like a toy store for the gearhead. Like I said, it's pretty cool. They have everything from bike lifts, automotive lifts. This is just a small front showroom, and there's a lot of tools, and actually more than I expected to see here, with the hand tools and ratchet straps and air compressors and toolboxes from Extreme Tools and roll cabs. They have all their lift, the lifts available and stuff that are on the website. They have here, as well as some gear wrench and Sunex tools. Definitely gonna be back for a bike lift because we need one. Very, very, very cool setup. But we won't take up too much of their time because we got to get our lift loaded and back on the road.
Good news, life wants a little lift.
Really?
Yeah.
Look
Strike
at
that
all
quickly while the iron's hot.
the goodies. Oh my. All right, we don't want to take up too much of their time, busy guys, and we need to get back on the road as well. So we got to go see Matt, the warehouse guy, who's actually already staged with the forklifts with our lift on it, and just got to get it on a trailer. So here we go. It's like you've done that before.
A few times. Where would you like your power unit?
We'll just throw it right in the back of the truck, actually. If you don't mind. That's nice, packaged up, makes it easy.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, look at that. We even get some scrap steel on there for our metal art. Price of steel, you always want that. Makes it easy with that bad boy. That's for darn sure. All right, guys, we are locked and loaded. Got our 11,000 pound lift on the trailer. We're gonna head back to the shop and get this thing installed. Thanks for coming along for the road trip. Nothing too exciting, but it's fun. You get to kind of see what's going on. Flip and customize, daily, to do, not to do, what to do, whatever. Maybe we'll do another video of the install. My buddy Steve's coming over to help with that this weekend. So stay tuned for that one, maybe. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, Flip and Customized.